Hey guys, hello Nia world. It's your friendly neighborhood influencer,
Bruh.
David Morrison. But I need for a moment for us to get serious. Nia needs your help. We're looking for developers to make Nia more simple, scalable, secure, and sustainable, aka make Nia more awesome. Nia is offering new bounties for a range of Web3 verticals, including DeFi, content, search, social media, interoperability, smart contract history, and a ton more. And you can still build with Solidity and use Aurora's Rainbow Bridge to connect the Ethereum, Nia, and Aurora ecosystems at the click of a few buttons. We have got a ton of bounties across 3 main prize pools: Proximity, Aurora, and DevGo. We've got about 60,000 USDC in prizes up for grabs. Now, to see the full list of bounties, that's every single one, head over to the Nia at ETHDenver website on
nia.org/Denver.
nia.org/Denver. Now, time for all the boring stuff. Project submissions open up at 8 p.m. on March 4th, and they will close strictly at 8 a.m. on Sunday, March 5th. If you come waltzing in at 8:01, expecting our incredible judges to take a look at your project submission, I'm afraid it's over. You have to be on time, and I know that's going to be difficult with all the parties going on, but if anyone can do it, you can do it. Bounties will be judged by a plethora of incredible Web3 reps from Aurora, Proximity, and the developer governance ecosystem of Nia. With that in mind, let's get hacking. Boom. Let's get hacking. Hack and get hacking. Ethereum without limits. Create without limits. Nia